everyone, welcome back to the Palette Play Studios. Today we are painting something delicious, a watercolor pizza slice topped with juicy pepperoni, fresh basil leaves and tomato slices. Lightly sketch a big pizza slice, triangle shaped with rounded crust. Add a few circles for pepperoni, some ovals for tomato slices and teardrop shapes for basil leaves. Make it fun and playful. Let's start with the crust. Use a mix of yellow ochre and a bit of brown. For the cheese area, go with a warm yellow wash and blend in tiny hints of orange for melted cheese effect. Keep it loose and juicy. You can make the dark brown crust. Now for the toppings. Pepperoni, mix red and a bit of brown. Paint circles and add shadows on one side for depth. Tomatoes, use a vibrant red with a hint of pink. Let the center stay lighter for a juicy look. Basil, use a mix of green and a touch of blue. Paint soft curved leaves. They add that fresh pop. Time to add some details. Well, take some darker tones near the crust to give it a crisp baked look and use dark brown for this. And don't forget to add some cheesy drips if you want to be extra cheesy on the edges to give it a 3D look. It has a certain depth to it. Then add tiny dots on the pepperoni for texture and few outlines on the tomato to give the lighter tones to it, and soft veins on the basil leaves with some dark dots all over the crust, giving it the look of oregano and chili flakes. And that's our watercolor pizza slice. Easy, simple and quick to make, served hot from the imagination oven. If this made you hungry for more art, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Comment below what food we should paint next. Dessert, anyone?